it happened to me too. Wow! Holy shit! Whoa! Yeah, don't go that.
Sideways.
Don't go that way.
Hold on. Try it again.
There he goes. Shit hit me right in the eye.
Yeah, you too?
Yeah, that's why I stopped, because if it just went inside my eyeball.
Yeah.
Sorry about the smell. She's stuck. Hell, damn Can-Ams, buddy. Are you stuck? Okay. I should have known better than that. You got the Honda, buddy. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That's my mistake. You want to go to this one right here so we get a straight shot? What?
All of it?
Oh, it fell off.
Oh, yeah. I think it just wrapped it around though.
Carl, where you at, buddy? We need you. Hold on, keep going. Keep going.
It was broke right on the end.
Really?
Yeah, there's not much of it.
Well, that's not grabbing very tight. Oh yeah, it's. Keep going in. I don't know if it's gonna catch it or not. Nope. Okay, hold on. Yeah, do you want to do that knot you were doing? So you tie that knot. Yeah, are you a good knot tire?
Yeah, I can tie a knot. All right?
Keep going.
Yep. Is that the old maintenance man coming through again?
Damn,
Hey,
did I
watch
do
your
it?
fingers. Yeah, I was gonna say.
You want me to keep pulling
Yep,
it in?
keep going.
Did you see what happened to me?
What happened?
I came through here and it shot up in there.
Oh really? No, I missed that. Dang it.
It wasn't just me.
That's why we came through this way.
Well, I was following
Damn
him.
thing done by himself. That's a Yamaha.
Oh shit, this is nasty.
Yeah.
Oh.
External factor.
No, she asked. I asked her, do I blame it on your drinking or your driving? She said,
A little bit of both. Are you winching in? Are you winching? Are you winching in? Oh, really?
maybe it locked up.
Okay, come out, come out. Go out with it. Yeah, but wait, we need to re-spool it. You come out.
Stop, stop. Yeah, stop.
Stop.
Let it
Yeah.
Put it in free spool, we can pull it out and then. Don't go too far though. Is that what that is? Damn, that shit was nasty.
Yeah.
Look at that, look how deep that hole is.
Whatever wave hit is what we hit. We got stuck. It must have been a root they all.
Maybe a stump.
No, it was the rut.
It's just a
The
rut.
rut. As soon as I hit it, it threw me off, but I had to come through right here.
Once we just broke through that,
That's a rut.
yeah, once we broke through all that stuff, it's just.
Hillbilly, yeah, toe bill.
Oh my god. You ruined my strap.
Yeah, you run the strip.
It was breaking though. That's what popped.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
When it did that, I was like, oh, and she was just like, it's like, Mom, what are you doing?
If it's been getting stuck on, do you want to put it on the window or no?
Well, no, it's only been stuck on when I press it. It'll stick, and I gotta press it up
Oh, okay.
to make it stop. Like he'll be like, let off, and I'm like, let off, and I'm like, oh shit, I didn't let off because it's stuck.
Go in some. Oh wait, hold on, maybe not. You good?
You almost made me fuck up.
What?
I told her to go in some, and then you were rapping. I was like, oh, wait, maybe not. Maybe not. No. All right, I think we're good now.
Okay, thanks, fine.
We got to see if we can even get out of here. You go ahead and make it all the way through. Hey, watch the Honda, buddy.
Whose is that?
That's mine. Watch it. Oh shit. Good gosh. Yeah. Yeah, we got to get those out. Damn. Freaking Can-Ams every time. Hey, you got some shit in your A-arms and your... Good God. Hey, take it easy next time.
Hey, I wasn't trying to do that.
Eventually we're gonna run out of a winch.
Hey, take it easy, but keep it up though. It's really good for my video.
I get you lots of followers.
Don't tell Colton.
I want 5% of yourself.
God, no deal. Very nice. Me? Oh, come on, man. I was blazing the trail. There you go, Wayne. There you go, Wayne. Heck yeah. You made it through. Hell yeah. Look how shiny that thing is, man.
Look at that, son.
God, the mud just slides right off.
That's all that damn overall.
Oh, yeah. You want to just winch backwards? There you go, Wayne. Broke it? Oh, damn, it did break, yeah. Go ahead. Whoa! No, you go around. Yeah. There we go. I've had one of these just go straight through my airbox.
Oh, man.
Like right through my skid plate, and the hole in my skid plate, you know, when the drain holes, it went straight through that and straight through my airbox. I was like, what the freak? Got enough room right there? Good. That was thick. It even sounded like it bogged that down just a little bit.
That's all the extra weight.
That's stupid, I swear.
I didn't say that.
Stupid, I swear.
He didn't deny it either.
Divorce. Yeah, that was thick. You could see the mud just like waving. It's like a what? What? Oh my god, that was surprisingly thick. That was awesome. Just a little bit of a challenge real quick. Oops. Almost. You ready? No.